fluency. So we're going to start with a number here, and then we're going to do some different things. So we're going to do a little bit of everything, actually, just about. So first we're going to start with 95. So we're going to start with that number 95. All right, so we have 95. We are going to then subtract 28 and 9/10 from our number. So we are going to subtract 28. And remember, when we're subtracting, we have to line up our decimals. So 28 and 9/10, we can put a placeholder 0 there. 95, we can turn into 95 and 0/10. Now let's subtract 0 minus 9, we can't do. So that 5 becomes a 4, and that 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Drop that decimal, and drop it like a tot, drop it like a tot. 4 minus 8 we cannot do. So that 9 becomes an 8. To make that 4 a 14. 14 minus 8, well, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We get 6. 8 minus 2, 8, 7, 6. We get 6 as well. All right, so we subtracted that. Perfect. Next, it says we need to add 14 and 56/100ths to our difference. So we are going to take this 66 and 1/10, and we are going to add 14 and 56/100ths. We can put that placeholder 0. When we add, 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Drop that decimal, drop it like a top, drop it like a top. 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 1 is 8. So then we have 80 and 66/100ths. Last but not least here, we are going to multiply 3 and 5/10 to your sum. So I'm actually going to move this stuff up here. I'll put it over there. All right, so we are going to take this and we are now going to multiply it by 3 and 5/10. So we're going to multiply. Remember, we don't need to line up our decimals because we're multiplying. 3.5 and multiply. All right, so 5 times 6 is going to be 30. 5 times 6 again is 30, plus 3 is 33. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 5 times 8 is going to be 40. All right, and I don't like how I put that 4 there. Oh my goodness. All right, now we're moving over a place value. So I'm done with that 5. I'm going to put that placeholder 0. I'm also done with these remainders. 3 times 6 is going to be 18. 3 times 6 again, 18 plus 1 is 19. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 8 is going to be 24. Now we're going to add. I am going to end up erasing this. I'm sorry. Now we're going to add them up. And we get 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, because plus that 0 is still 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Am I done? Nope. What do we have to do? We have to put in our decimals. We got to put in our butt cheeks here. So we're going to take from the outside, we're going to go in 1, in 2. Oh, we're not done yet. Oh, hold on. Let's redo that. In 1, in 2. There we go. And we still have 1 down here, so in 3 total. So we're going to start here. We're going to go, we're going to go in 1, in 2, in 3. So we got a 3 butt cheeker here. So our final value, or our final answer is 282 and 310 thousandths. And that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job.